because there were too many people. So yeah, so the time I last checked was fruits, so I ate a lot of fruits. But now I checked a whole lot of South Indian, so yeah, you were late. So right now all the boats have gone to the beach, so we are going to the beach. We are staying at this hotel called Cisade de Goa. So they have their own private beach, so it's really nice. So we're gonna go there. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so I am back from the beach and I'm dressed up. So as you all know, I did a poll on what I'm going to wear today. I'm just gonna put the picture right over here so you can see what were the two options, and you chose this beautiful crop shirt and then this skirt. So again, I put the picture of the outfit over here. So yeah, I wore that. That got the most of the votes. The last time I checked, I am on to the time slot is like within half an hour to 10 minutes, whatever. Whosoever wins, I'm going to wear that, because in the morning for the breakfast, as you all know, the time I posted the poll, the options were fruits or South Indian. So by the time I was on the breakfast and taking it, fruits were winning, so I took a whole lot of fruits. I did not touch one bit of South Indian food. And an hour later, I saw South Indian was winning. So I was like, I have the fruits. I have the fruits. So yeah. So that's the whole thing. So for the dress, also this one, I've already worn this attire. Now if in the second phase bodycon starts winning, I don't know. I think I'll maybe wear that in the evening when I'm back. For some nice dinner or something, so we'll do that. So yeah, and I put on a poll right now for them two makeup options, for the two makeup looks I'm going to do with this, what would work out with this dress, that, and then yes, whether I should leave my hair like a beach wave because I'm on the beach, or maybe go for the straight hair. So let's see, we can do the straight hair anytime, but we're not do the beach curls again. So yeah, so let's see. So right now I'm very hungry. We ordered something from the room service. We've ordered just some basic burgers and onion rings. So yeah, we're gonna eat that, and then we have a little detour planned. Then we're gonna go for the detour. So yeah, it's going to be around Old Goa, and it's going to be around Old Goa. and on beaches on the Baga. Right now we're in Donapala, so we're gonna go to the Baga and all this. Yeah. So I'm definitely having you guys to join me now. See you then.
And if in the moment I bite my lip, baby, in that moment you know this is something bigger than us and beyond bliss. Give me a reason to believe it. 'Cause if you want to keep me, you got to love me harder. And if you really need me, you got to love me harder.
Good morning, guys, and welcome back. So I slept last night without closing my video, and you might have seen in some of the footage me going around a little detour of Goa, not much. I went to the St. Xavier's church, and we went to St. Xavier's Church, and we went there. We went to the museum. Then we went to Baga Beach. So I did not really record much over there because there wasn't much. And and I didn't record like anything for the beach because there wasn't really anything to record. It's just the same thing with the more people and some shops, some people. So yeah, that was there. Then after that, we went back for the dinner. No, we also went street shopping. Yes, I forgot. So we also went street shopping, and we did a little shopping here and there. Nothing too serious. Just got some souvenirs and some street jewelry. That's it, nothing much. And then we got back. Then we went to Baga, and then when we came back, we thought of having a little dinner. So we went to the Ritz for dinner. And being the person I am, I'm allergic to prawns. So I was really scared to try out the seafood. So I ate one of the somethings. I had the fish, it was nice. But then again, I had the prawn, and The rest of the night was like me being paranoid and not feeling well, but it's secret, none of them knew. So it went well. I did not vomit or anything. I was alright because I had a little piece of it only. Yeah. How amazing is it? I can never like forget it. It's so nice. So, yeah. Okay, this side of the water it's a little deep, so I don't want to die. So I'll just stay here. So gorgeous, like over there. There's some. So this is like the interior side, and where you see the fencing, that is the area of the resort. And I'm like not in the resort. I want to go that side as well, but I just want to sit here and just stay here forever. These are like so pretty. I am obsessed. I'm going gaga over this, and I'm so happy I'm here. Yeah. Over there are my rooms. Okay, somewhere around there, or maybe there, in those two areas as well. And how pretty this grass design is. Okay, let's see how sunny, beautiful it is. I love it. Everything wonderful of this. When I look around, there are like so many places that is yet to be discovered by me. And I want like one more day to come over here. I feel like there are so many places that I haven't went in this area only, and there's so much more to explore in just in this one resort. And I did not get to do that. But then again, I get to do a lot of other things which I'm really happy about. So one thing I also didn't get to do is water sports. From 1st June only they banned it. Till 1st June it is banned to do, but in Dompola they do it illegally. But it's up to them. But there should be always something for the next time as well. And how cute is this giant chess? If I would knew how to play it, I would definitely would. Hey there, girl. So yeah, we are back at the pool from the other side, and that's the beach. So yeah, let's go back. So we're going to hop back in the room and get changed, get showered. You know what? I'm gonna pop in and have the breakfast right now only. So yeah. And yesterday, when if you guys voted for me to have South Indian, and South Indian was winning. So yeah. And how pretty is it? Okay, so South India was winning. So I'm gonna have South Indian too. But I think that if I vote right now, I would be definitely the first person to enter